Okay, so let's look at y'all's warm-up for today. It's asking you to name the season based off the graph. The graph shows temperature over time. Every time you have a graph, you need to stop and read the axes. Temperature over time. So this one shows a temperature that looks pretty high. The entire time, the temperature is fairly high. There's some change, but it's not dramatic. What season has a high temperature most of the season? Okay, you should know what season is warm most of the season. The next two are the trickiest two. I will tell you that the next two are spring and fall. So if we're looking at the first one, the temperature in the beginning of that season is warm. It's high. Look what happens as time passes. The temperature decreases. So between spring and fall, which one starts warm and the temperature goes down versus which one starts cool and the temperature increases? Okay, and then the last one, that is a season where your temperature is low the entire season. That should help you answer all four of those correctly.